Legends, welcome back to the channel on this grey and horrible Friday. I'm going to start this video with some bonus Peugeot 406 for you. There it is, 406 bonus content. We're back in the trailer workshop. Dad's here and he's been cracking on, as you can see, since the last video. And if you haven't watched that video, it's up there now for you to take a look at, because I broke Dad's trailer with all my nonsense and heavy bits and pieces, so he's had to rebuild it. In the last video you could see that he'd got the chassis all straightened out and it was ready to be painted and red oxide. You can see now then that it's looking a lot better and a lot further on than it was. Dad's been sending me some update pictures, and those update pictures, you can see one now and another one now. So that is the updates, as Dad has been sending me photographs while I'm at work, because obviously I want nothing better than updates on the trailer. So here it is then, we're in the workshop and you can see that there's been some massive progress. We'll have a wander around, we'll have a chat about what's gone on with the trailer and what is left to do. So as you can see then, Dad has started to get the ply board in. He's got the base in, he's got these sides in, and this front board as well. And actually, this is the tailgate. We'll have a look at that in just a moment's time, because that really didn't need too much work. But what had happened is that the base had all flaked and gone through, and the sides had all rotten as well. All down the sides where we'd been using, I don't know what you'd call it, shovels and spades and all sorts. Over time, all that wood had chipped away, which is inevitably what caused the trailer to collapse, because there was no downward force on that wood. It was just all on that metal. So you can see everything's looking nice and shiny. And I've got to be careful what I touch, because actually it's all red gloss at the moment. You can see all this front has been nicely red glossed. We've got the board in here, got the boards all the way down here, and Dad's actually got the wheels back on at the moment. It's all nice and pretty. Dad's got these wheel arches as well, fenders to go back on. I think he's currently drilling where they need to go. You can see he's got his tools, he's got his impact driver, angle grinder and all that sort of stuff ready for the job. Stainless steel fixings and fastenings as well, no expense spared here. Oh, I say stainless steel, zinc plated. He's got all these M6s and 40 mils, 30 mils and 40 mils, and of course all these lovely, beautiful stainless steel washers as well. That's what I love about Dad's workshop, is everything is organised, not like mine. Mine's everywhere. It might look organised chaos, but actually everything is labelled, everything is size ordered and brilliant. Proper old school mechanicking and engineering. Looking at the back then, nice and clean and tidy. This side looking good as well, and you can see the old boards here, really no good, all knackered that, and I think the old boards have actually gone in the bin. In fact, no, we can look at those old boards. Happy?
Stop for tea, mate.
Want some tea? What's for tea?
It's liver, bacon, mashed tates and broccoli.
Absolutely not. If it was kebab and chips, maybe. Let's look at these sides then. These are the sides that Dad's taken off. You can see they're no good. In all seriousness though, I will stop for tea if there's some going. Winner, winner. Right, okay. There's the sides, and as you can see, no good. So not only would you get bonus Peugeot 406 content and bonus trailer content, I get a free meal as well. You can't go wrong. Right, so that's it then from the trailer. Let's look at this tailboard, and you can see that the number plate on the light board is T520 CBD, which is of course the 406, and that really is an absolute workhorse. I must do a video on that at some point. Thumbs up for bonus Peugeot 406 content. This is the tailboard then. Dad, as you can see, he's varnished it. It's hardwood, this is a piece of hardwood. We're not going to mess about with that, and I'm not going to touch it because it's all nice and glossed up and varnished up. But that's it then. Trailer update part 2. I suppose the next trailer update really will be that it's all together. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help. If you've not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Loads of you subscribing, and it really is helping. It's my first month this month of monetization, and that little bit of extra cash is going towards video content and upgrading the videos as well, with new effects and new software, and of course new microphones as well. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to, and if you haven't already, I'm on John Coupland, all one word, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and the TikToks as well. Have a great day. Take care. Goodbye.